So you guys demanded for Spiderman Far From Home web shooter. So here it is. You don't need any expensive materials or tools to make this. You only need some basic materials that are easily available at home. And if you are a fan of Marvel, then you must watch my previous Marvel stuffs. And if you want to buy any of these items showing on the screen, then check out the description box. So let's start with the base of the web shooter. So I cut these 5 pieces out of cereal box cardboard. 4 these types and 1 additional piece like this. Now if you don't have hole puncher, then you can use scissors or penknife to make a hole in it. And yes, for free templates check the description box. And yes, let me tell you, this hole is optional. The reason you'll get later. Stick all these pieces. Now make sure you apply some super glue at their edges. Now I cut this tiny piece out of cereal box cardboard and harden it using super glue. Now I stick this very small piece here, which is also made of cereal box cardboard. Make one paper roll and apply some super glue at their ends. Now I cut this ring to stick it here. Now as you can see, I have cut the toothpick in half and roll the paper at the top. Now join 2 penny springs and stick it here. Make sure the hole should not be bigger than a spring. Now I cover that whole piece using black chart paper and stick it right over here. Now stick only this much part and leave that movable part free. Like this. Now I stick this tiny piece of rubber band there because it's really hard for the bullet to drag that stop block downwards. Now I cover this whole piece using black chart paper. Now it's time to make the web cartridge. I am pretty sure that you are thinking the use of this hole here. So I made two bases of the web cartridge. First one, which can normally fits there. Now for second one, I stick this small paper roll there, which gonna fit here like this. So according to me, this base is much better, because as you can see, the second one is too movable. And this one is not. So what? Get lost second one. See, the web cartridge is not falling. Tie a knot there according to your hand size. Now I use the same thread for making web. Now to make straps, I use this transparent strip. Stick that whole piece there. Now as you can see, I covered that hole using black tape because of its no use. Now it's time to load the web. So for this, take one ice cream stick and start rolling the thread in it. Now just push all that string into the web cartridge. Like this. Load the bullet. And here you go. So yeah, here is your easy Spiderman far from home web shooter. Make sure you check my previous PS5 web shooter, which I also made it out of very basic materials. And yes, I want to give a special shout out to Shubhanshu Gautam. You made this web shooter really awesome. Just keep motivating me. But after all, I feel very sad by seeing this. I don't know whether analytics is wrong or you guys are not subscribing. But that's not fair. You must subscribe this channel and also press that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So yeah, waiting for what? Just subscribe it now so that you never miss my future uploads. So I hope you subscribed now. And yes, let me know in the comment section if you truly enjoyed this video or not. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.